Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove the secure folder on your app screen. So in order to find your app screen, do a swipe up and you'll scroll across to where you'll find the secure folder. And here is my secure folder at the bottom here. Now, if you don't know how to create a secure folder, check out my previous video here on how to create a secure folder. You can find it on the channel as well. In order to remove this from the app screen, go ahead and find your settings here on your phone, right? So once you find settings, go ahead and open that up and scroll down to where you'll find security and privacy. Tap on that. Scroll down to where you have more security settings. Tap on that. Now you will see that you have secure folder here at the top. So tap on that to open up the secure folder features. And as you can see here, there is an option that says add secure folder to app screen, right? So you can easily go ahead and toggle that off and it will hide the secure folder. Now, as you can see here, once I go back to my app screen, my secure folder is no longer showing. And I can go back to my settings and I can easily go ahead and turn this on again if I so desire. Now, as you can see, once I open that, it's asking me for my PIN and I just need to go ahead and enter my PIN and it will unlock those features and those settings so that I can see it and I can always go ahead and toggle it on again if I so desire.